If you're seeing the Epic Games error code DP-OS-F, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your game as fast as possible. This error is usually tied to your operating system, compatibility settings, or corrupted game files, so we're going to cover the most effective solutions in the right order. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, check your operating system compatibility. This error can happen when the game does not support the version of Windows you're currently using, so before changing anything else, make sure you're on a supported version like Windows 10 or Windows 11. If your system is out of date, that alone could be the reason Epic Games is blocking the launch. Next, let's disable compatibility mode on the Epic Games launcher. To do this, right-click the Epic Games launcher shortcut and choose Properties. Once the Properties window opens, click the Compatibility tab. Here, look for the option that says Run this program in compatibility mode for, and make sure that box is unchecked. If it's enabled, it can force the launcher to behave like it's running on an older version of Windows, which may trigger the DP-OS-F error. After unchecking it, click Apply, then click OK to save the change. Now, try running the launcher as an administrator. Sometimes Epic Games needs elevated permissions to properly detect your system and launch the game. First, fully exit the launcher so it is not running in the background. Then, right-click the Epic Games launcher icon again and select Run as Administrator. If a permission prompt appears, confirm it. This simple step can fix launch issues caused by restricted access. If the error is still there, the next thing you should do is update Windows. Go to Settings, then open Windows Update. Click Check for Updates and let Windows install any pending updates. Restart your computer if prompted. Keeping Windows up to date is important because some games and launchers rely on system files and updates that older builds might not have. After that, open the Epic Games Launcher library and verify the game files. Say as so's. This step is very useful if the installation itself is damaged or incomplete. In your library, find the game that is showing the error, then click the three dots on the game tile. From there, select Manage and then click Verify. Epic Games will scan the files and repair anything that is missing or corrupted. Depending on the game size, this can take a few minutes, so let it finish completely before trying again. If you've done all of that and DP-OS-F still appears, the final fix is to reinstall the game. Sometimes the installer may not correctly detect your operating system during the first installation, and a clean reinstall can resolve that. Uninstall the game, restart your computer, and then download it again through the Epic Games launcher. Once the installation is complete, try launching it one more time. Most of the time, one of these fixes will solve the Epic Games error code DP-OS-F, especially the compatibility settings, Windows updates, or verifying game files. Try them in order, and don't skip the OS check at the beginning because that is often the root cause. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.